Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Shopify tutorial step by step.
Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to fix one of the most common, and honestly most frustrating, issues Shopify store owners run into, that dreaded order can't be shipped to your location error. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to troubleshoot and resolve this, so your customers can place orders smoothly. No more missed sales or confused shoppers. Let's dive straight in. First up, we're going to hop into your Shopify admin page. This is really your store's control center, where all the behind-the-scenes magic happens. Once you're there, look for the settings option on the bottom left corner. Go ahead and click on that. Now, inside the settings menu, you'll want to choose Shipping and Delivery. This is the section where Shopify manages all your shipping options, rates, and zones. Take a careful look here, because one of the most common reasons for that shipping error is simply that the customer's country hasn't been included in your shipping zones. Imagine you're mailing a physical letter. If you don't list the correct country, it just can't be delivered. So browse your shipping zones. If you notice the country your customer is trying to ship to isn't there, don't worry. All you need to do is click Add Shipping Zone. Here, select the missing country, and then set your shipping rates as needed. Maybe you want a flat rate, or perhaps you want to offer free shipping for certain locations. Just make sure the rates make sense for your store and products. Saving this change unlocks shipping for that whole new zone. Next, we need to double-check your product-specific shipping settings. From your admin dashboard, navigate to the Products tab and select the specific product your customer was trying to order. Scroll down to the Shipping section. Here's the key. Make sure shipping is actually enabled for this product. Sometimes, especially with digital goods or by accident, a product can get set as doesn't require shipping. If that's the case, the system won't allow any shipping options, which triggers that whole error message. Just tick the box for "This is a physical product," if it isn't already, and save. Simple, but crucial. Now, onto the customer's address details. This part can trip up even the savviest shoppers. Reach out to your customer and kindly ask if they double-check the address format they're entering. Sometimes a missing zip code, a typo, or an indirect country name, like typing US instead of United States, can disrupt the whole shipping calculation. Online stores rely on super precise address data to match with carrier services, so a minor mistake here can make Shopify think the order can't be shipped. Reassure your customer that it's a common issue. They're definitely not alone. If you're using carrier-calculated shipping, there's one more thing we need to check. Go back to your shipping settings and see which carriers you've enabled, like USPS, FedEx, or DHL. Not all carriers support every destination, especially some international regions or rural postcodes. Double-check that your selected carrier can actually deliver to the customer's region. If they can't, you might need to add a different carrier or adjust your shipping zones accordingly. This can take a moment, but ensuring compatibility means your shipping options will show up correctly and reliably. And that's it. With these checks and tweaks, you'll have your shipping issues sorted and your customers happily placing orders from anywhere you support. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. It really helps out the channel. Drop any questions you have in the comments below and subscribe for more practical, easy-to-follow e-commerce tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.